we were able to peacefully bring him abroad to face the charges against him without hurting anybody physically. I think that's the most important thing. It's the most peaceful way of doing what had to be done.
The third attempt is lawfare at its very worst. Imprison Inday Sara, all the Duterte allies, including myself, perhaps, to be harassed by cases with the new ombudsman. Plunder will be the name of the game. No bail and imprisonment until 2028. I will be very, very surprised kung aabot si VP Sara na malaya kapag naupo itong uri ng ombudsman. Kaya ako, magpa-file ako ng opposition, pati sa JBC, dahil klarong-klaro yung conflict of interest, tapos magiging magulo. Kapag itong mga